Hello everyone from the Bahçeşehir University Dental Hospital Lab. I am Safa ÖZER from the Department of the Prosthodontics. Today I would like to talk about 3D printers. It is based on printing resin materials by adding layer by layer. 3D printers, which have been introduced to dentistry practice in recent years and are also used in our faculty. They are devices that are frequently used in several areas of dentistry, such as temporary restorations, permanent restorations, removable prosthesis, night guards, aligners, surgical planning models, implant guides. This fast, practical, and user-friendly manufacturing technique is now at BAU Dental Hospital. We provide a healthy smile beyond borders.